In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a distortion with Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to set up a safe workspace, explore the distortion tools, and commit your results with confidence. To keep your original image intact, start by duplicating your layer. In the Layers panel, right-click your current layer and choose Duplicate. Working on a copy is a simple way to experiment freely, since anything you do will only affect the duplicated layer. If you ever need to compare, your untouched original is still right there beneath it. Next, head into the Liquify persona. Look for the water drop icon at the top of the interface and click it. This opens a dedicated environment built specifically for distortion work. You'll notice a different set of tools and controls along the left and the top. And this is where the magic happens. Take a moment to position your image so the area you want to modify is clearly visible. The better you frame your subject now, the more precise your strokes will be. Inside the Liquify persona, you'll find several core tools for distortion. The Push Forward tool lets you physically nudge pixels in the direction you drag, perfect for gentle reshaping or guiding lines. The Twirl tool adds a swirl effect. Small, short strokes create subtle spins, while longer passes deliver dramatic spirals. The Pucker tool pulls pixels inward, tightening features or narrowing shapes, while the Bloat tool pushes outward to expand volumes or puff up areas. For more organic, unpredictable effects, the Turbulence tool introduces a chaotic, rippling distortion that's great for texture and abstract looks. Before you paint, look to the top toolbar to adjust brush size and pressure. A larger brush with low pressure is ideal for broad, gradual changes, while a smaller brush with higher pressure is better for precise tweaks. Start conservatively and build up your effect in passes. It's easier to add a bit more than to remove a heavy-handed stroke. Keep an eye on edges and details you want to preserve, and work in short strokes to maintain control. When you're happy with the result, commit it by clicking Apply at the top right. Your distortions are now applied to the duplicated layer, and your original layer remains untouched, ready for reference or rollback if needed. That's the full workflow. Duplicate the layer, enter the Liquify persona, use the distortion tools with thoughtful brush settings, and then apply the changes. Take your time. Experiment with subtle adjustments, and enjoy the creative flexibility that Liquify brings to your edits.